So the STAR program, Striving to Achieve Recovery, is a program that is designed to help individuals become sober, but not only sober, also work on the recovery while they're still incarcerated. And we have a personal responsibility to help folks when they do come into jail and when they are confronted with, charges, felonies, misdemeanors, and it's, because of something that's occurred during some time in their life, to help them the best we can. The peer recovery specialists are individuals that have been sober for quite some time. They also are certified to be able to work with others to help them with their recovery. And the biggest part is they're able to hold one another accountable, but certainly to have a peer there that knows exactly what that individual is going through is extremely important, and it's a must. So the commencement ceremony for our STAR program, Striving to Achieve Recovery, is extremely important because we often recognize that when one comes to jail, it's not like they're coming in to celebrate anything. It's an opportunity to recognize the hard work that they've done and what they have achieved and where they're going to continue to go in terms of helping themselves and working towards something that maybe they've never experienced before. Addiction is a disease, so the importance of getting folks not only sober but in recovery before they leave the jail is extremely beneficial to their health, their safety, as well as to our community. And as we always say, a healthier community is a safer community, and with them not going back to the same persons, places, and things that were a big part of why they're locked up right now, that's what the goal is, because people deserve a chance. Not only one chance, 2 chances, 3 chances, I believe in second and third and fourth chances.